Hello there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your or deploy your website from GitHub to Vercel. So I'm going to show you all the process here step by step. So don't skip the video. At first, I'll go to the browser and go for the GitHub, okay? Because I have to actually upload my project here at first in the GitHub. So here, click here in the profile. I mean, if you don't have account, you can actually create account here. Let me show you. So this is the github.com. From here you can go to the sign up and then you can create your account through Google. Okay, I already have the account, so I'm going to go for the sign in option, and here I'm going to give my username and then password. Okay, and I will actually come to this page. This is the dashboard, and I will click here in this profile icon and then repositories. Okay, here in the repositories I already have a project. Now if you want to add your project, you can click here new, okay, and then give it a name, okay, and then create the repository. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'll say test portfolio. Okay, portfolio for cat. So this is my repository name, let's say, and I will say here create repository. Okay, I mean I will click here. Now here you can see created successfully. Now I will click here uploading an existing file, and here you can see choose your files. So I already have my project here in the desktop. This is my project. I'm going to select all the files and folder and subfolders, and I will add them here. And here you can see uploading 4 of 4 and uploaded successfully. Now I'll click here commit changes. Okay, commit changes. Now here you can see processing your files. All right, done. Now here our project in the GitHub we have added successfully, right? Now let's go for the Vercel, because we are going to host from GitHub to Vercel. Okay, so I will search here Vercel in the browser, and here you can see vercel.com. I'll go here in the Vercel. Now if you don't have any account, you can go for the sign up, and then you can create your account through Google, GitHub, or your Apple. Now here Apple showing because I am actually using Apple here. In your case, maybe it will show Windows. Okay, all right. I will suggest you to go with the Google and then go for the login. If you create successfully, then go for the login, and from here I'm going to go with my Google account. Here we go. This is my account. You can see Vercel. So you can see I have a bunch of different projects deployed here from Vercel. Now if you want to create here a new project, you can actually click here add new. Okay, then project. You can see project. Now here you can see import git repository. We have here this option. So we'll go here, continue with GitHub. Okay, and I already added my GitHub account here. In your case, you can click here add GitHub account. Okay, add GitHub account and then add your GitHub account here. I already have this account, so I'm going to skip this. This is my GitHub. Okay, so you have to actually add your GitHub account. That's it. And here you will find all the project you have created or all the repository you have created in your GitHub. Okay? In your GitHub account. Okay, so here we'll go to the repositories, and here you can see this is our first this is the latest one, test portfolio cat. So here you can see it's showing the project, and 1 minute ago it created, right? Okay, so I'm going to click here import. Now here I'm going to now root directory, and actually I have the default one, so I will not change anything here. And this is static project, so yes. Now I will go for the deploy. Okay, project name will be same as the GitHub repository name, and here you can see congratulations, project deployed. So now I can actually visit the deployment. Okay, so I'll click here visit deployment. Here we go, guys. Our site is now deployed. You can see, so we have deployed our project from GitHub to Vercel. Okay, all right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.